The Patricia EDMS system provides a robust emailing solution directly from within the DMS page. This can be accessed by clicking on the small envelope icon shown here. This will open up a selection window where we need to make several choices before sending our email. In this From area, we need to choose who will be the sender of this email. This could be the currently logged in user or a generic email address. Then we need to choose the content template, also known as the body of the email. The choice here affects the layout and content of the email that will be generated. Each of these templates has a different body structure, heading, wording, etc., and can be customized. I will choose email to correspondence address. Once I have made these two selections, I now click on OK. We will then see the actual email editor window. Here we define parameters and edit the email before sending. Right at the top we have our From option. This is based on the earlier selection we made and can be changed. We then have our To field, which will be the recipient. This field can be configured to pull in email addresses directly from the parties page if you wish. Note that this is populated right now because my template is set up to pull in that information. You can of course add more email addresses by simply typing in the block itself. We have the option to CC and BCC recipients by clicking on the button shown here. To add a CC recipient, click on the CC button and a new field will be added. You can do the same for the BCC field. Next to each recipient field, we have a small plus icon. This can be used to add more recipients to your email. The email addresses shown here are generated from your parties page on your case. All valid email addresses found will be displayed here. We then have our subject field, which can be pre-configured with bookmarks. These bookmarks are populated from your case when the email is generated. We can see that my case reference has been added into my subject. We have the body of the email, which can of course be edited as desired. You also have all formatting capabilities available by using the format bar shown here. Finally, to send the email, click on the Send button. Once sent, the email will be added to your DMS page. You have additional options on this screen. First, to print your email or save a draft. To save a draft, click on the Save Draft button. Draft emails can be accessed by clicking on the Email button and choosing the Select from Drafts tab. All drafts will be displayed. Highlight your draft and click OK to open it, or click on the Delete button to delete it. Let's focus on attachments. To add an attachment to an email, you have several options available. The first is to use the Upload Attachment or Manage Attachments from Case buttons. The Upload Attachment button allows you to add an attachment from your local drive to your email. Simply click on it and select the file you wish to attach. The Manage Attachments from Case lets you add attachments from your case document list. When clicked, this will display a list of all saved documents on your case. Tick the relevant tick box and click on OK to add those to your email. The resulting attachments can be seen in the area here. Another quick way to add attachments is to do so directly from the DMS page. First, select all items that you wish to attach to your email. Do this by checking the checkbox next to each line. Then click on the Email button. You will note the selected documents have been added as attachments for you. We also have different behaviors available depending on what type of document is selected. On emails, I have the following. I will select my email here and then click on the Email button. Note that I have a Reply Forward option. When this is ticked, my newly generated email will form part of the existing chain as per the normal reply forward process. Another option available is the Save to All extension members. This is handy if the email you are saving applies to several cases all in the same family and country, but with different distinguishing codes. On Word documents, we have the following. I will select my Word document and then click on the Email button. Note that we have a new tick box called Use Selected Document as Template. This means that the actual content of the Word document will be used as the body of the email. Let's see this in action. I will tick Use Selected as Template and then click OK. The resulting email has my Word content as the body of the email itself.